It was amazing. It was perfect. It was exactly what we hoped for. And here is a rather quick story of the honeymoon to Costa Rica. Costa Rica, for those of you not in the know, Central America, right between Nicaragua and Panama. And we were staying on the Pacific side. They have two sides, Pacific and Caribbean. We were on the Pacific side. In first place here, Uvita, at a hotel called Vista Celestial. Amazing. We had excursions every day and they would drive us to all of our spots. Here's our first day. We ended up kind of the only hitch in the plan, a earthquake off of Russia. Made us not go to the beach. Instead, we went to this waterfall in Uvita. 30 feet high. There's a natural slide in it and we jumped off. The next day we did get to that beach area. There's no docks. So everyone, if you're getting on a boat, well, you have to load by water. It reminded me of loading the boats at Dunkirk in World War II. We were there for this. These are the whales, humpback whales. Humpback whales with their babies. They give birth in these warm waters and the babies grow just on their mother's milk. There's no food there. And then we went to the formation in the land called the whale's tail, which is formed by ocean currents that are hitting each other. Next day we went paddleboarding through the mangroves. Excellent vibes. We had an amazing tour guide, best tour guide I think we've ever had in a tour. And to see the waters of the mangroves, the birds of the mangroves, the plants of the mangroves, it was amazing. The property we stayed had this excellent trail down to this fantastic waterfall. Fairly treacherous. It is the rainy season there, so there weren't a ton of tourists. We were by ourselves for a lot of the time. Other times we were pretty busy. Group-wise, like this spot, when we were going ziplining. To slide down, in some cases, up to a mile, down a wire through the jungle, the views, we were going through clouds. It was just a thrill. Cait would go and disappear. And then I'd get to slide down and see what she disappeared into. The next thrill of the thrills, and it was a trip of thrills, constant thrills. We were smiling the whole time. Just each moment, a new experience, something new to see. And to see a boat fly down a river into a rainstorm and how a group of tourists and locals react. We had a blast. Our second location we were heading to was a bit further south from Uvita to a place called Drake Bay and a hotel called La Paloma. This hotel stood at the tip of the Osa Peninsula, which is the most biodiverse part of planet Earth. It holds 2.5% of all species in existence. And it was spectacular. Where we stayed was beautiful, absolutely stunning architecture, and the accommodations were homey, and you could just walk, go for a hike down to the beaches, and all this exposed rocks called basalt, which is pushed up from the ocean floor. So it's a newer land and full of amazing creatures. This is our guide Randall. We went into the national park down there, Corcovado, and Randall was our guide for 2 days. On the first day, we were a private tour. It was amazing, and he showed us all the monkeys and the trees, taught us about the plants that were growing, and especially for us, we were excited about birds. And Randall knew it all. One thing we were hoping to see is this. These are tapirs. That's a baby tapir with its mother. And tapirs, when I lived in Belize, I painted one on the side of the library where I worked, and we were able to see a number of them. We learned a lot about the creatures and how the forest is healthy. These are those army ants, and they're cutting leaves and growing fungus so that the forest is strong, and creatures like the tapir can find food, like they're eating kumquats. Such an adventure. We hiked across rivers, swam downstream of crocodiles, and we're happy to be home, but we were so happy to be there. Near the end of the trip, we started thinking, wow, we should do this again. And that ultimately was the best part of the honeymoon. The chance to be together for a long time, eating together, talking together, dreaming together, and exploring the beauty and splendor of our world. amidst the splendor of our hearts.